The relationship between Elon Musk and Sam Altman, once collaborators, has devolved into a heated rivalry marked by public spats, lawsuits, and competing visions for the future of AI. The latest chapter involves Musk's attempt to acquire OpenAI, the company he co-founded with Altman. A group of investors led by Elon Musk made an unsolicited bid of $97.4 billion to acquire the nonprofit that controls OpenAI. Musk framed the offer as an effort to return OpenAI to its original mission of being an open-source, safety-focused force for good. However, Sam Altman rejected the offer with a pointed jab on X, offering to buy Twitter for $9.74 billion, a fraction of what Musk paid for it. Musk responded to Altman's rejection with a sharp retort, calling Altman a swindler. He followed this up by posting a video of Altman with the caption "Scam Altman." This exchange highlights the deep animosity between the two tech leaders. The friction between Musk and Altman stems from their diverging approaches to artificial intelligence. Musk has criticized Altman for prioritizing commercial gains over AI ethics. This difference in vision led Musk to leave OpenAI in 2018 and launch his own AI startup, Shy, to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT. The rivalry escalated further when Musk sued OpenAI in 2024, accusing the company of betraying its founding principles and becoming a closed-source de facto subsidiary of Microsoft. Although Musk later dropped the lawsuit, it underscored the depth of his concerns about OpenAI's direction. He has also accused Altman of manipulating him into co-founding OpenAI as a non-profit. In 2025, the conflict took on political dimensions with the launch of Stargate, a $500 billion AI initiative backed by US President Donald Trump and Altman. While Trump praised Altman's leadership, Musk dismissed the project as financially dubious and personally attacked Altman on X. Altman responded by questioning Musk's motives, fueling an increasingly public and politically charged AI power struggle. This ongoing feud between Elon Musk and Sam Altman reflects the broader tensions within the AI industry regarding profit motives, open-source development, and control over the technology's future. Stay tuned for keeping a tab on this.